Finish our presentation of FiberCell Sciences Inc. FiberCell is a bulletin board listed company trading under ticker FCSC. This chart hits the radar because of a double bottom pattern. See a nice support level at 14 cents. Closed up a little over 3% on Friday. There's a nice little upside for this to come up and match the pattern. The last time it bounced off of 14 cents. Last time it bounced off that level, MACD dropped a bullish cross, just like this time, making slightly higher lows over those couple months. In the broader perspective, also making higher lows. That's a positive divergence. The price per share is trending down. MACD is trending up, and that's an optimistic sign for a possible reversal in trend. Over about 9 months, seeing the PPO coming off the PPO ADX pinch, continually making the higher lows. ADX is back into a nice reversal position with the ADX up over top of both the positive and negative DIs, and now starting to curl back downward. Not getting a lot from the money flow. Stock sitting on a bottom, and since that's reflective of the price that people are paying for stock, it's expected to be down very low. Key points for it to push upward and move through 50. I think it's more interesting to note that the accumulation distribution has been making higher lows over those few months and continually edging upward even over the last month and a half or so. Shaking money flow down around zero but still holding in the green. It says buying pressure is still slightly outweighing selling pressure over the last 20 periods. CCI has pushed its way back through negative 100. That's a bullish sign for bottom feeders that use the CCI. It'd be a buy signal on the break of negative 100, a sell when it breaks back down through negative 100. Full stow moving upward, coming out of oversold territory, signaling that some bullish momentum's trying to come into the play. And the trick's a lagging indicator of trend, but it's starting to flatten out, it looks like. I'd just be watching for a bullish cross, similar to back through here in the beginning part of October, to signal a bullish shift in trend. RSIs are pushing right on that key level of 50. 7 just now is poked through. You can see it's registering a 54. I pay closer attention to the 14 and 21. I want to see them make it above 50 and then hold above it to show that momentum is being sustained in the play. So definitely getting some hints from the indicator that there's a shift in trend and momentum going on. Of course, it always comes down to the candles. And for me, the key point, of course, is going to be holding 14 cents. That is the double bottom. That's the strong support level. Absolutely must stay intact, or it goes down and makes a new 52-week low, and there's just no support in sight. So 14 cents has to hold. Now to the upside, a little bit of dynamic resistance right there on 18 cents, the 50-day moving average. But from a static standpoint, I'd expect it to pick up a little bit around 20 cents, because that was a pretty good support level earlier on in the year. But the top end resistance, what I'd call the primary resistance, is going to be there at 24 cents. 200-day moving average is there. It's always a strong area of dynamic resistance. It's the old high from the last double bottom. And even when it was trying to come off 20 cents as a support level back here in May, June, July, it had a difficult time holding above that point. So I'd expect 24 cents to be a very difficult spot for FCSC if it can repeat this move in this double bottom pattern. Now clearly that's a nice upside, 50% from its closing level on Friday. But probably even more importantly is if it does make that move, it makes the break through 24 cents. The odds are pretty strong that this is a true bottom for FiberCell, and the upside of the next level doesn't come into resistance until around 35 cents again. Which at that point, again looking at a multi-month pattern, double bottom fulfilling itself, higher lows starting to be made, and generally an overall reversal in the chart, and the sign's going to take on some long-term bullishness. So to kick this week off, we'll be keeping an eye on volume, 390,000 shares traded, right about average for it, but can certainly spike up in days. As it comes off this bottom, it moves up to challenge that resistance point. I'll be wanting to see some increased volume bars so it can build even stronger momentum to take on some resistance points. Those are the things that I'd be looking for in the FCSC chart, but as always, it's merely my interpretation. Thank you for watching, and trade smart.